In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable tracking in Apollo.io. This guide is designed to help you set up tracking effortlessly and make sure you're able to monitor your engagement effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other web browser, just make sure it's one you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to your favorite search engine and type in Apollo.io. Hit Enter, and you should see Apollo.io popping up at the top of the search results. Click on the official Apollo.io link, which will take you straight to their homepage. Now that you're on the Apollo.io website, it's time to log in. Depending on your preference or what your organization uses, you can log in using your email or single sign-on, often referred to as SSO. Simply enter your credentials like you normally would, and you should be directed to your Apollo.io dashboard. With access to your dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll typically find this option either at the top or the bottom corner of the page, depending on the layout updates. Click on Settings, and from there, proceed to the Profile section. This is where you can make personal adjustments to your account. Once in Profile, you'll see a subsection labeled Email Settings. Head over to this area for the next crucial step. In this section, you'll be able to enable or disable tracking to suit your specific email monitoring needs. To track when recipients open your emails, locate the box labeled Enable Open Tracking. Check that box to activate this feature. Open tracking is incredibly useful if you're trying to understand whether your emails are being received and viewed by your target audience. Similarly, if you'd like to track interactions with the links included in your emails, you'll want to enable click tracking. Simply find the Enable Click Tracking box and check it. This feature provides insight into how your recipients engage with the content you're sending them, giving you valuable data to refine your strategy. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up tracking in Apollo.io. Now, you'll have a much clearer picture of how your email communications are performing. Remember, these insights can guide you in making more informed decisions and optimizing your engagement strategies. If you ever want to revisit these settings or make changes, you can always navigate back to the same sections we explored today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Have a great day, and happy tracking!